Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about formal wedding style. Let's go. Wedding season is officially here. And of course, we just had the royal wedding that just kicked off. Everyone was talking about David Beckham's wedding style. He did a really great job putting that off. David Beckham has always put out some really cool menswear looks. So in this video, I did a David Beckham royal wedding inspired look. Let's break it down. So I decided to look through my closet and see if I can put together a similar look with what I have. Here's what I got. So for starter, I'm starting with a black suit. This is definitely more for the formal side of wedding style. While we're at it, I just went with a plain and simple but sharp white pocket square. Going with a classic white plain dress shirt. I paired it with this special black silk tie that I found. This is a Prada vintage tie instead of a plain black tie. So I feel like that's one way to switch up the formal look to add something that's a little bit special, a little bit different in a subtle way. To me, the most important piece of his wedding style outfit was the double-breasted vest. I was lucky enough to have one in my closet. This is a double-breasted pinstripe vest that I had in part of a three-piece suit somewhere else. So I decided to pull this off to pair it with the rest of the look. Now, of course, not everyone's gonna have one of these in the closet. And so I think a gray vest works just as well for the look. And of course, to tie together this formal outfit is a black leather band watch. This is the Tissot chronograph watch that you've seen me wear a lot of times throughout these videos and looks. This formal look, you can go with a lace-up leather pair of shoes or a fancy pair of loafers that will go with this look. Formal and black tie attire for wedding style, I think it might seem boring to a lot of you guys. It might just feel like you're wearing a black suit to work kind of deal. But this is the situation where you can wear something fancier, you know, wear your nicer watch, have a little fun with the shoes, bring out a vintage tie. So it's all about accessories and details that will really spice up the look for the wedding style you're going for. Of course, in this special occasion, to be inspired by David Beckham's wedding style look, you add an odd vest to kind of go with this whole look, and I think it's really sharp. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace!